How to add bass boost effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add bass boost effect easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just select your audio by clicking double click and click here on effect and go down until you find equalization. If you didn't find it, go and download the old version of Audacity. Click on equalization and here you will find many options, but don't worry, it's very easy. Click here and you will find bass boost. Click OK and the bass boost is gonna be applied on your voice audio easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.